Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the summation of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have n equals to number 1 to positive infinity. This is about the series number 1. The next one is about the series number 2. So about this one, we put number 13 outside. We know that I will concentrate about this series only. So this one, that means when n equals to number 1, we have 1 over 1 multiplied by number 2, 1 over number 2 multiplied by number 3, 1 over 3 multiplied by number 4, and so on in here. This number 1, we have 2 minus 1. This one is about 3 minus 2. This one is about 4 minus 3. This one is about 5 minus 4. So 2 divided by 2, 1 divided by 1. So we have 1 minus 1 over 2. 3 divided by 3, 2 divided by 2. So we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, and so on in here. So until we have 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. So this number cancel this number, this one cancel this one, and so on in here, until we just have only number 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. We know that n goes to positive infinity. This one goes to positive infinity. This one, n plus 1, will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, we have 0. So this one equals to number 1. And now the value of this one equals to number 1, and we have 13. Now let's go to the next one. So this one, when n equals to number 1, so we put number 1 in here. So we have 12 multiplied by 2 over 3 plus 12 multiplied by 2 over 3 square, and so on in here. We can apply about the sum of geometric progressions. So we have a number 1, that's a 12 multiplied by 2 over 3, because this is about the first term in here. And R is about common ratio. So we have 2 over 3. And now we have the formula in here. So A1, that is about this one. R, that's about 2 over 3. And now we can get the final answer. And this is about 24. So we combine everything in here. So we have 13 plus 24. and we have 37. This is the end. Thank you for watching.